We are pleased to show you the 2016 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar Communication System, cruise control, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.